Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to change the batteries on a wireless optical mouse. So if you turn the wireless mouse over, there should be a red light here. If not, it means your batteries have died. What you need to do is get the cover off of the mouse, and on this particular mouse there's a little divot at the back, so just get your finger in there or a small plastic implement and just lift it off. And on this mouse we've got two AA batteries, so just push it against the negative, which is where the spring is, and then they just pop out. Now I'm just going to test these batteries that I've taken out, and they are dead as a dodo. So take your new batteries, make sure you get some good quality ones, they will last longer. And I'm just going to test this one before I put it in, and that is absolutely top notch. Make sure you put them in the right way. There should be a diagram inside the mouse. Push it in at the negative end, which is where the spring loading is, and these actually go in both in the same direction. And then just put the cover back on and just push it down gently. And then you've got the red light that comes on, and now let's just test it out. Now my mouse doesn't like to be known about, that's why I call it Anonymouse. After all that hard work, it's time to have a lovely cup of tea. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please press this button down here, and if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. I really do mean that. Check you later.